tell the camera why Taylor's not here while you're doing Taylor's job?
Bonding with management staff. Team building. It's on a team building mission, sitting around the pool. We're not part of that team. I'm gonna kill shit till I die. Die. Kill shit till I die. Die. Kill shit till I. First things first, turning on the lights.
1.1 gigawatts, Marty!
Back to the future. Radio check, Daniel.
Radio check is good.
Carb traffic, carb snow removal, proceeding on to runway 1028, holding short for snow operations. Any conflicting traffic, please advise. This is what we call in Canada our second winter, okay? We had winter, then we had false spring, then now we have second winter, and then we'll have actual spring. That's how things work around here. Daniel also does not have a set of lights on. Now they're on. Lights are on, baby. Yeah, we got a good, I don't know, 6-7 centimeters there. We got a good 4 inches. This winter, it's been a record winter. So normally in snow business, you do your contract based on a 250 centimeter cap, at least here in Ottawa. Be interested to hear what it's like in other places, but we haven't hit 250 centimeters in like 4 or 5 years. So I put an hour cap on our contract because I didn't want to go over on hours and just take a massive hit because I didn't know what it entailed to plow an airport. We are getting nowhere near the total amount of hours that I thought we would get, which is great, but this is the 1 year I should have done a centimeter cap because we're over the 250 centimeter threshold. We've had a record snowfall year. I just wanted to give a little bit of info behind the contract and the year we're having. We're doing awesome. We're doing great no matter what. Like the airport, it's good for them and it's good for us. It's a really good working relationship. Hopefully we get to plow it again next year. But the business guy in me wishes I did the 250 centimeter snow cap. But oh well, no big deal. Okay, if you guys follow me on Instagram, then you would have saw that Timberland Pro and me, we got a little bit of a love relationship going on. You can call it a bromance or just a romance, whatever. But that's why today I am showcasing the Timberland Pro Setra shoe. I spend a lot of time on my feet and in the shop, and one thing that I wanted was something that was CSA certified, had a steel toe and all the good stuff of safety, but also didn't look like a big clunky boot. That's why they made these bad boys, and I'm super pumped about that because they're comfy, they look cool, they come in a bunch of different styles, they have anti-fatigue technology. Standing on the concrete all day, I can move around, I can jump, I don't get tired, my feet don't get sore, and my joints feel good. These things are the type of shoe that not only am I happy about wearing them on site, but I will most likely be wearing them off site as well. Thank you Timberland Pro for sponsoring the video, as well as sending me these awesome shoes and the jacket. If you guys want to check out the Setra shoe, link down below in the description. Thank you Timberland. Back to the video, baby.
You ready? Let's do it. Yeah. I'm the definition of half man, half drugs. Ask the clubs, bad boy, that's what's up. After bucks, crush crews after us. No games, we ain't laughing much. Nothing but big things. Check the hit list, how we twitch. What changed but the name? We still here, you're rocking with the best. Don't worry if I write rhymes, I write checks.
What is this thing? That is a wild looking shovel. Oh, it does have some good torque on it though.
Wow! Wow! I barely have to touch it. It's impressive. Oh my god! Oh my god! Ah! Ah! Get the fuck out of here!
Ruby, I think you forgot your boot. You forgot your boot in my truck. It's yours, right?
Yep, definitely.
Oh, your blanket too. Here. Oh wait. And your toque. You forgot your toque. Wow, look at the dot. Ruby forgot his boots and stuff in my...
That's nice,
Yeah. Mitch,
leave that shit at home.
you forgot your boot?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll wear it next time.
Okay. Right? Nice tires. Yep. We're gonna see if Benson's has it, they can deliver it.
Does he know that those won't grow?
We're unloading a shovel right now for this Waterloo system for a new home. It's in a floodplain and it's on the water. So those two things are playing into it being a difficult build.
I still got a shoebox full of money sitting at the top of my closet from working like a dog. Got a chicken scratch notepad of what I would have said once I bought it, till she called it off. Now she's picking out menus and venues and DJs and his cake and her cake with a honeymoon gon' be with a new dude with bukus of old cash. I swear that's the furthest damn thing from me.
Measure 5 feet off the building, or what do you mean?
There's no foundation. That's what the plan was with the hole, but there's no foundation, so there is no rule to be 5 feet off. He's lifting the tanks off the truck into the hole. We're gonna hopefully backfill them right away because we're fighting some groundwater. That's all I got for him.
He went to Ole Miss, I went to work. He puts his paper, I puts the dirt. He's got that clean cut, driving him a clean truck. I'm just sitting here with a beer in my jeans tuck. He's tying cans on a bumper of a car. I'm tying one on, taking it hard. Thinking about him there with a white horse and carriage, nearly 3 carats. He went to Jerry, I went to the bar.
Camera guy's telling me I'm supposed to tell you what's going on. We have Waterloo biofilter shallow buried trench system that we installed on this cottage. We have our 2 concrete tanks. I think they're 4,800 liters. Pretty sure they're 4,800 liters. Our trash settling tank and our bulk filled treatment tank. We're pumping out of our trash tank into our treatment tank, gets treated, pumps out of our treatment tank up into our 3 lines that we have here. They come out, spray up through some 1/8-inch holes that are spaced according to the engineer, hit the top of the shells, rain fall down into our stone layer and percolate down into the sand nice and clean. And she will work for years and years to come because Ken White did it.
So right now we're on our way back to the septic that we started yesterday for Greco Contracting, I believe. Earlier this year we dug the foundation and like stripped out the top soil there for them. So now we're back doing the septic. Part of the office is out this week, so Dave's running the show. And yeah, should be a good week.
Tanks are here, Wooby.
Our trash tank's gonna go right here. Then once we coming out from the house there, come out 90 to the pump chamber. The pump chamber will take us out to the vent. Septic tanks. Fun stuff.
Right there.
Tanks are in, yeah.
And we just got to backfill around the tanks. Yeah, backfill around the tanks.
Fucking send it.
I haven't worked in a while, Zach, with all that shit.
It's snowing out. I'm ready for summer.
Fuck off. Fucking cleanliness. Conventional trench system. Big one. 8 lines, 21 meters each, 1.6 meters on center, double header, all connected with a footer. Got Daniel in the excavator. Andre's pretty much useless. And then we got Mike. He's not used to having his boots on the ground. That's all hooked up. Last footer's there. Last header just needs that 90. Go along, double check all your header. Double check all your footer. Yeah. Make sure it's all the same.
Catch that, Ruby?
Do your job, Wooby.
Where's the YouTube video?
The fuck is with the Milwaukee hat? Got a sponsorship? You know what Taylor made me do?
What did Taylor make you do?
Blood transfusion. I had to take Taylor White's freaking blood and transfuse it into my, so that when he dies, I inherit his debt. He doesn't want to pass it off to his kids. I'm next in line. That's why he keeps buying shit.
That is pure comedy.
Hey, Corey. Feelings mutual, Mike. Septic passed. Big shock, eh? Good job, boys. Now I get to fucking call Dave and tell him our inspection that was coming tomorrow is already done.
Hell of a video. I was absent for the last part of that video for multiple reasons. We were on vacation and then we went to Con Expo, which, by the way, thank you guys for the last video for watching the Con Expo vlog. Really appreciate it. If you haven't watched that, make sure to go check that out. All the Def shirts, fuck Def shirts, are gone. Like, as always, we sold them. They all gone. They'll never come back. So next time we drop something, make sure to grab it. But thank you guys for watching the video. The beginning part of the video, I forgot there was even a snowstorm. That's why this is like a bunch of weeks combated into one. Whoopi's got the alcohol shakes going on right now, which means we better wrap it up. Thank you guys. Have a fantastic weekend, which I think today's Sunday. We're posting this on a Sunday, right? Enjoy your Sunday. It's God's day. Amen, brother. Catch you on the next one. But of course I didn't forget about you guys, that True Patriots channel that watched the entire video to the very end, which is right now. And if you are one of those True Patriots, why don't you guys comment down below, the big man on campus. Why are you commenting down below the big man on campus? Well, when I was gone, the old man, dad, took over and made sure things were running smooth. So if you guys watched the entire video to the very end, make sure to comment down below. Big man on campus, I appreciate you guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Take care.